I'm going to talk to you about something called you have the right to ask for what you want. Each one of us has the right to ask for what we want, and we really need to learn how to ask for what we want. Nobody can read your mind, but asking for what you want can be risky because the other person might not grant your request. I would encourage you to be really assertive and ask directly for the things that you want in life because you don't have because you don't ask. But if the other person doesn't grant your request, we have the responsibility to respect their no. A lot of times we don't ask because it's risky, and it's risky because we don't know how to hear no. You gotta learn how to hear no. You gotta learn how to ask for what you want. And if you hear no, you gotta respect the other person's answer. Hey, thank you. I hope this helped you, and God bless.